Wind energy provides a truly sustainable power source, drastically reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. This clean alternative is vital for a healthier planet. Understanding and investing in wind energy is crucial for global energy independence. It actively contributes to our environmental health, securing a cleaner future for all. The sun heats Earth's surface unevenly, creating temperature differences. Warm air rises, becoming less dense. Cooler, denser air then moves in to replace it. This continuous air movement, driven by temperature variations, is what we experience as wind. Witness the kinetic energy of countless air particles. Their collective, accelerated motion generates the powerful force we define as wind. This directed airflow then impacts the aerodynamically designed blades of a wind turbine. The resulting momentum transfer initiates rotation, converting the wind's energy into mechanical power, a cornerstone of sustainable electricity. Observe the initial interaction as laminar airflow impinges upon the airfoil. The pressure differential across the blade surface initiates rotational torque, overcoming inertia. This precise aerodynamic contouring, optimized for lift generation and minimal drag, efficiently converts kinetic wind energy into mechanical rotation, maximizing power capture. Inside the turbine tower, the main shaft rotates, driven by the rotor. This critical component efficiently captures kinetic energy. The main shaft connects directly to the gearbox. Here, precision-engineered gears smoothly increase rotational speed, transmitting power to the generator. This robust mechanical linkage ensures continuous, reliable energy conversion. Within a generator, the rotational kinetic energy of magnets creates a dynamic magnetic field. This field induces an electromotive force across stationary conductor coils. This induced force compels free electrons to move, establishing an electrical current. The resulting energetic flow represents the conversion of mechanical energy into usable electrical power. Electricity from the turbine is channeled into the adjacent smart transformer unit. This initial input represents the generated electrical potential. Within the transformer, voltage is efficiently stepped up for optimized long-distance transmission. This process elevates the electrical potential, minimizing resistive losses across the grid. From towering wind farms, clean energy begins its vital journey. Electricity surges through high-voltage lines, a silent, powerful current traversing landscapes. This invisible force efficiently delivers renewable power, illuminating our urban centers and fueling modern life. It's the seamless flow that connects sustainable sources to every light and device. Wind energy begins as moving air turns turbine blades. These blades rotate a shaft, which then drives a generator. The generator converts this mechanical energy into electricity. A transformer boosts the voltage for long-distance transmission, delivering clean power directly to our homes. Imagine a world powered by the wind, where every breath is fresh and every future is bright. Clean energy isn't just an option, it's our essential path forward. From innovative solutions to sustainable growth, we are building a lasting legacy. Invest in clean energy, educate for change, and together, let's secure a clean future for all.